Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious sorrel honey glazed chicken. Perfect for the holidays. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start by marinating the chicken. I have a small whole chicken here already washed and pat dry. I'll be using some paprika, garlic and onion powder, sazon, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt and black pepper. I also have fresh green seasoning here. The link will be listed down below. So basically we're going to create a wet marinade by adding the green seasoning with some oil to the dry seasonings, and we will mix well to combine. Next, we're going to marinate the chicken real well. Lift the skin and get between the creases and crevices and just make sure it's nicely marinated. Once you're done, you want to cover and allow this to sit for about 4 to 8 hours if you have time and you want to let it go overnight. That will be best. After about 5 hours, I place my chicken into a skillet and preheat my oven to 375. We're going to place this in there for about 45 minutes to an hour. While the chicken is in the oven, we'll go ahead and make a glaze. Here I have some dried sorrel and I will add that to some water. I will leave all the measurements I use in my description box. And you want to boil this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and just drain it, and we'll use just the liquid. Now we will pour the liquid into a saucepan, and we will follow up with some honey, some brown sugar, soy sauce, and some cinnamon. If you want to use any other spice, you sure can. We're going to stir this and allow it to simmer and reduce a little bit. You can allow this to reduce fully until it thickens, but I'm just gonna allow it to reduce a little bit and then I will thicken it with some cornstarch. And like I said, I will just allow it to reduce a bit and then thicken with cornstarch. But you can allow this to thicken on its own without cornstarch, but you will have just a little bit because it will have to reduce a whole lot in order to thicken, and I want a lot of glaze, so I just thickened mine with some cornstarch, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to turn my heat off and set this aside. So after about an hour, this is how the chicken is looking. We'll now go ahead and glaze it generously with that glaze. Then we will place it back into the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll glaze it for a second time, place it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. And here you have it. After about an hour and 20 minutes, the sorrel honey glazed chicken is all done. It smells amazing. I know it doesn't look too attractive, but the taste is absolutely divine. I did serve it up with some raisin rice potato salad and a fresh garden salad, and my entire family enjoyed it. I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Happy holidays in advance, and as always, enjoy